What's up guys, this is Jed from G Technologics site. Today I'm going to give some ideas and some angles for building a gaming budget build for this 2015. So stay tuned, subscribe, like and share, and let's go with this build, shall we? And this is sponsored by Enigma Technologies. Their website is on my description down below. You can check them out. So for the casing for this system, I went with the Cougar Spike M80X gaming chassis. This compact design of Cougar brand is super stunning and outrageous because the airflow and then the intake air is no problem at all. So if you want to have the coolest budget build and then the most out-headed thing or pain in the ass, I'll go with Cougar brand. So there is no exception and explanation with this. I'll go with Cougar because the airflow and then the building capacities inside are good, and like I said, it is not pain in the ass. Next is the Intel Core i5-4460K. Yes, I know it's 4th generation and it's just like 3.2 gigahertz, but yeah, it's the clock speed, it's already overclocked and it's only have the threadings for 6 MB. Yeah, okay, the cache is 6 MB, but yeah, we're good on that. The more cache, the more speed and capacitance you have, but yeah, 6 MB is good for your need, because if you are going to edit, game, or editing while gaming, this baby is I mean it can handle all of that thing, so don't question about the i5. They have 3.4 gigahertz i5, but you will add some money for that. But if you have the money for just like this 8600 for your processor, this is pretty awesome for your CP or computer. Next is the ASRock H81M VG4 1150. It supports your 4th generation processor. It has a Turbo Boost 2.0 technology. It has a dual channel and max capacity of memory is 16. It's fair enough for that thing because you don't need 32 gigabyte of RAM for this kind of setup. It's already beyond the overkill of your board. Next is the graphics card, the Sapphire Dual X R9 270 2GB GDDR5 256-bit OC with boost. Okay, let me tell you, this graphic card, graphics, it's only one. No, never mind. This card, okay, this card is 7,450. It is 2GB GDDR5. Take note, 256-bit OC with boost. Okay, no question about it. Check this out on their website, get it, put it on your budget build system, you're good to go. It supports DirectX 12, so if you have a Windows 10, this is probably a bonus for you. No exception. I'm not exaggerating, but when I saw this, oh my god, they have this. Like I said, they have this. So you guys, if you are like me, like exaggerated with this kind of graphics card with this kind of price, I'll grab this thing. Promise, I'll grab this thing. So let's move on. Kingston 8GB HyperX Fury 1866 MHz. Hey Jed, it's 8 gig. Yeah, I know, it's 8 gig. 8 gig above can support you gaming and editing, or vice versa, or both of them. It's good. It's good for your build. But if you want to upgrade one more card or one more stick, you will go for 16 gig. You will already maximize your board capacity, and it's okay because your memory is already overclocked or overkill. Like, no, it's not overkill, exactly what your board needs, so no problem at all. 8 gig is too much now. 16 gig is like, oh my god, like that. 8 gig is, you're good to go. You have 8 gig, you're good to go. So no question about it. It's 1866 megahertz speed rating, so it is fast, no question about it. It's hyper, yeah, and it's fury. Alright, next is the HAC Cougar SL 400 watts ATX power supply. This kind of power supply can give you steady voltage on your motherboard, and it is awesome because the connector you have, it has a SATA connector, a PCIe connector, or main connector. They have you can manage the cables on it. So, and then it has a 400 watts power output capacity, so you're good to go, and you will not harm your motherboard. Take note, you will not harm your motherboard. So this video is possible with Enigma Technologies. As I said, go check them out on my description below if you want to have a budget build, but ultra capacity or specs, but in a budget build, like the graphics card I've said. Oh my god, that's awesome. So thank you guys for watching for this video. It's all exaggerated, I know. You can laugh at me. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys that you laugh at me. And see you in my next video. Subscribe, like, and share. God bless you guys. This is J Technologic Site, once again, the budget build.